packages are so tall. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got this giant package from eBay and yeah, we're gonna find out what it is. So I got my box cutter right here. So yeah, let's open. Okay, this is I guess cut it open. Okay, open. Oh, there's some tape here. This thing is actually useful for once. For once, this thing is useful. Here we go. Holy Lord. Yo, it's here. Oh, forget about this paper. You can make so many paper airplanes. Here it is. Oh, come on out. Come on out. Oh, here it is. Finally. If you might know what this is, it is a Hot Wheels car shelf. I've been always wanting one of these, but I didn't only get one. No. I'm just gonna. Oh no, wait, guys. The Volvo came out. No, I mean the Matchbox. Here, let's just put it right here. There we go. Let's take out the next one. Oh, let's take it out. Oh, yo. Oh wait, guys, look at this. Oh, we also got a card. This is used cards go match. Oh, this is the person I bought it from. So it looks like they have a company. Interesting. Look, they got a company. And also got a bag of nails. No, they didn't. They didn't have to. No way. I did that. Oh. I did not. Hold on. Give me like 2 seconds. They gave us covers. Oh my god, I only thought we would get the shelf, but surprisingly, we also got the cover. Yes, we got a cover. We can cover it with. Yo, oh my god, there's not even enough space to put these anywhere. So let's take out the foam. Guys, this is amazing. Oh, yeah, here we go. Ah, let me out. Oh my god. So let's just I will be keeping this business card. Let's open up the card. Let's read it. It says Toyota, I don't know. MFGLLC mass car displays. It's just like an ID thing. Use code MASCAR and any multiple orders for the maximum 7. Oh, okay, that's cool. I will be keeping this right here because that is really nice. I will remember you. You're the one who gave me the shells. But yeah, and also I might give these to my dad, I guess. I don't know. It's just a bag of nails. What am I going to do with a bag of nails? You know what? I'm kind of scared. How about you guys handle it? I can't. Alright, let's just put the box up. Let's just wrap the box up again. But yeah. There we go. And yeah, guys, that was the package. I had a package. The package was originally gonna come on the 26th, but it came early and it came on the 20. It came on this time. It came on the 14th. So yeah, here are all the pieces. We got the barriers, like the cover. But yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video. I was really excited when I got this in the mail. And I can't wait to use these, and I will show you these in the next video. And yeah, guys, hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. I want to hang this up somewhere. And also, guys, when I make the video,
yeah, can you try even one Hot Wheel? What it look like?
alright, because we got this not
Just
even
put
Hot
the
Wheel.
Wheel.
So I guess, yeah, it's pretty cool. So
Put it in the middle.
So let's just like put it right here. That's nice. Actually fits.
So cool.
And yeah, that's good. We can also have like cover it. So let's put that on just for a few. I just want to see.
So you're gonna show them in the next video, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on for now. Yo, that is amazing. Oh, it was under it. How does this go on? How does it go on?
Wouldn't it be nice to hang it on the wall over there in the back?
Yeah, but oh yeah, look, it came with nails, so
Yeah,
you hang it on the wall.
yeah, we can do it. We can fix it, do it.
But the problem is, guys, like you can't really like put the cover on properly. I guess it doesn't really like stick on, but I guess that's pretty cool. It's okay. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye bye. Mom, Daddy, and